How to earn money on DollarTub in less than 3 minutes. Today I'm going to show you in this full step-by-step beginner guide exactly how you can start earning real money on DollarTub even if you've never used the platform before. If you want fast results and a simple method that actually works, stay with me because by the end of this you'll know exactly how to set up your account, complete tasks, and cash out without confusion. To begin, you need a verified DollarTub account. Open the DollarTub website or app and create your profile using an email you have access to. Once you're logged in, go straight to the account section and complete your setup. Add your basic information, upload a profile picture if required, and verify your email. This step matters because unverified accounts often can't withdraw earnings, so completing everything early saves you trouble later. Next, explore the available earning activities. DollarTub usually offers simple tasks like watching short videos, answering surveys, testing apps, or engaging with sponsored content. Go to the Earn or Tasks section and sort them by highest payout or shortest completion time. As a beginner, start with the fastest task so you can build your first earnings quickly. You'll notice that each task has instructions and the reward amount. Tap on one, follow every step carefully, then submit your proof inside the task page. Once it's reviewed, the reward is added to your balance automatically. After completing a few tasks, check your earnings dashboard. This is where you'll see your total balance, pending rewards, and any bonuses you may unlock. DollarTub sometimes gives additional incentives for completing multiple tasks in one day, so if you want faster progress, try to finish a small batch of tasks back to back. You don't need experience. Just follow the instructions provided with each activity and avoid skipping steps so your submissions don't get rejected. When you're ready to withdraw your earnings, go to the cash out section. DollarTub typically supports common payout options like digital wallets, bank transfers, or prepaid cards depending on your region. Choose the method you prefer, enter your details, and confirm the withdrawal. Most withdrawals are processed within a short time window, but it may take longer during peak days. Make sure your account details match your payout method to avoid delays or failed transactions. To keep earning steadily, repeat the process daily. Check new tasks every time you log in because the highest paying ones disappear quickly. You can also enable notifications so you're one of the first to claim fresh tasks when they appear. The more consistent you are, the faster your balance grows and the sooner you can reach the minimum withdrawal amount. By following these steps, you'll know exactly how to earn money on DollarTub without confusion or guesswork. This simple method lets you start earning from day one, even as a complete beginner, and ensures you understand how to complete tasks properly and withdraw your money smoothly.